Dear friends, welcome in today's electrical safety awareness program. Today's discussion is regarding the deteriorated condition of the line supports, how the accidents takes place, and the procedures as to LT line inspection is carried out for repairs. First, we will see one complaint. वीज खांब देत आहे अपघाताला आमंत्रण. येथील गावातील मध्यभागामध्ये अनेक वर्षापासून वीजखांब उभा आहे. मात्र या खांबाला खालच्या भागाला गंज लागल्यामुळे खांब तुटलेल्या अवस्थेत दिसत आहे. या खांबाच्या सभोवताल तारा लावले आहे. डिअर फ्रेंड्स, हिअर it is complained that the bottom of the LT support is too much rusted and damaged. While working on such poles, there were accidents to line staff and also number of times such poles fall down vehicles or travelers. There is a history. Now, to avoid such things, what are the things preventive measures to be taken? Now, for this, there are clear instructions. 1. Straighten all poles and with some backfilling, carry out ramming so that a small but firm mound is formed at the foot of the pole. Check and repair all concrete foundations of poles. Replace broken PLC poles. These are clear instructions. What is important instruction? If the pole is tilted, some backfilling, carry out ramming. That tilted pole is backfilled with some material. Ramming is to be done so that a small but firm mound is formed at the foot of the pole. This is very clear. Second, rectify and fix the tilted or loose cross arms, pin insulators, clamps, poles, top pin clamps. Tighten all nuts by inserting washers wherever necessary. This is a regular feature of tilted cross arms, clamps, poles, top lip. This can be inspected and rectified. Third, check all stay poles, struts and their fixing clamps. Second, and check all guys and tighten them. Third, tighten all loose guys. If a guy has been put in a wrong position, replace it by one in a correct position. If strands of the stay wire are broken, replace the wire completely. Regarding this stage in field, we see number of loose stays which need to be tightened. Further, ensure that the upper portion of the guy wire does not pass through live conductors. But presently, there are number of spots where guy wire or stay wire passes through the live conductor gap. All guys should be fixed below the lowest live conductor. What is the instruction? All guys or stays should be fixed below the lowest live conductor. Wherever this is not possible, install a split polythene pipe piece to prevent the guy wire from coming in contact with live wire through swing, etc. But the piece of polythene must have sufficient insulation capacity. Further, securely and properly connect the guys to the earth wire neutral by a special connection of GI wire. For earthing of guy, do not depend upon the connection through guy clamps, etc. because they are always loose and carry some rust. Check the splicing of guy wires. This splicing of guy wire is done nowadays very haphazardly and thimble is also not provided. Further, insulators, binding and jumpering. Replace all insulators which are chipped off or broken. Redo all loose and broken binding of conductor. Make off at the shackle points should be given special attention because the conductor slips from there at the bottom. Tighten all loose jumpers. These ledge jumper contact is a major source of current leakage. Suppose raise the jumpers to be clear off from posts, cross arms, insulator straps and other earth parts and live parts on other pages. Then it means jumper should have sufficient clearance from all dead parts. Fourth, tighten the nuts of insulator pins, stay bolts, earth wire clamps, etc. because all are under constant vibrations and nuts get loosened. Conductors and earth wire. Put up extra loose conductors and earth wire and restore clearance to ground between phases and between phase to neutral wires. And earth wire oblique guard wires wherever conductors are seen to be over tensioned, retension them to correct stress. Further, if broken strands of conductor are observed or black spots are observed on the conductor which are due to sparking, inspect and repair the damage so that it does not develop in a case of conductor snapping. Further, road crossing and crossing of telephone lines should be specifically inspected. Now, street light brackets. Straighten, tilted and loose brackets and tighten their clamps. Inspect the street light connection wires, especially at the entry at the brackets where the bush is many times missing and the insulation of wires gets damaged due to rubbing against the pipe mouth. Change the damaged wires and put this wooden or polythene bushing by a neon tester. Ensure that the bracket does not become live when the street lights are on. This is a major source of getting the current in the polar state. Further, check the fuse of the street light. It should be of not more than 2.5 amperes capacity. Now, these are the inspections to be carried out for line and line supports. Unless and until this is not done and repaired, accidents cannot be avoided and trippings cannot be avoided. Hence, my humble request to all the line staff and engineers in the electrical supply company, kindly do the inspection of lines and during that inspection The items just discussed shall invariably checked and repaired to avoid electrical accidents, breakdowns, and reduction of life of the asset. Thank you. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired chief engineer and National Safety Commission member. Friends, if there is difficulty in this, kindly inform us. Also, this is mandatory as per IS code. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel for such safety related videos. Thank you.